Hey dolls, it's Lulu. Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Now I have just put my base on, but I am totally lacking in like definition, contour, highlight, so I thought I would jump on and talk to you dolls all about Iconic London's Multi-Use Contouring Palette. Our best-selling contour palette has had a major revamp from when it first launched in 2018. I mean, when you think about it, contouring has come a very long way in just a few years. This one palette will enable you to get natural, lifted, and TikTokable worthy contour without feeling like you're wearing heavy, cakey makeup. And I also just love this packaging. The palette is so slick looking, so chic, all completely gold packaging with a huge mirror, so gorgeous. Now inside the palette, there are 3 shades on the top that you can use to really highlight, lighten, and brighten your base. And then 3 shades you can use to contour and bronze the face. This one palette is all you need. You can mix and match the colors for your perfect customized color. I love this because I'm somebody who, you know, in the summer I'm much more tan, in the winter I'm much more olive skin toned. So I love having 3 light shades, 3 dark shades, so I can always mix and match the shades for my perfect true match regardless of the time of year. And the formula of these contour and highlight shades are so creamy. It literally feels weightless on the skin. No cakey feeling, no heavy makeup feeling, and it's just not like that old school contouring. Like, this is fresh, this is new, this is just the most gorgeous formula that's gonna make you look snatched without looking cakey. Iconic London really is my go-to brand for both highlighting and contouring. So this sculpting palette is a game changer for me. Okay dolls, so I'm gonna get right into contouring and I'm gonna show you my technique to getting the perfect contour. So reaching in to my multi-use contour palette, I am going to take several dots of this shade and 1 dot of the darker shade. And I'm gonna mix that on a small, dense, fluffy brush. Okay, so I am going to draw a very light line from my forehead down my cheekbone, again a very light line, and then down underneath my jaw. So I am creating a 3 across my face. That is an excellent trick to remember when contouring. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Now taking what's left on my brush, I am just going to go down the sides of my nose, just for a very light nose contour. Taking an angled brush, I am going to blend that contour in. I am using patting motions and blending up. We want to lift the face, so blend that product up and away. This is a foolproof way to get the perfect contour. Blend up and away. I am gonna go in and highlight and brighten up my complexion. Using my finger, I'm gonna take this kind of yellowy brightening shade in the middle here, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. This is going to really help brighten underneath the eyes. Next, I'm taking this neutral brightening shade and just going down the bridge of my nose. Continuing with that neutral bright shade, I'm gonna pick some up on a fluffy brush, a small fluffy brush, and just bring that through the center of my forehead. And then I'm going to take some of that light color and draw it underneath my contour. This is going to really help accentuate your natural features. And using that same brush from before, blend it all in. There you dolls have it, my very easy way to use our multi-use contour palette. I'm looking so naturally lifted and sculpted, and it was so easy to use. Now, of course, no iconic glam is complete without a few glowy staples. I am gonna go in with the Iconic London Liquid Illuminator and apply 3 dots to the tops of my cheekbones. And just 1 dot on the bottom of my nose. And I'm gonna blend that in. And now I'm going to set this glowing Snatch Glam using my Prep Set Glow Spray. So there you dolls have it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you shop Iconic London's new multi-use contouring palette. See you next time.